That wasn't covered in the earlier session, but so it's 1 over x minus 2 plus 3 over x plus 3 equals 4 over x squared plus x minus 6. So the way we solve equations that involve fractions is first we're going to find the least common denominator, okay? And we do that by factoring. So actually, I'm not going to write it all out, but how do you factor this last denominator? Yeah, and there's always, those problems are set up to work out. So yeah, it's probably that. Even if you do not know how to factor, that will be a very educated guess in order for this problem to work out smoothly. So we're going to multiply both sides of this equation by x plus 3, x minus 2, and on the other side, we'll multiply by x plus 3, x minus 2. Now remember, we do not want to see positive 2 and negative 3 as our answers. When I solve this problem, if my answer is positive 2, it's not going to work because it turns the denominator into 0, negative 3. But anyways, so let's distribute. When you multiply the LCD by 1 over x minus 2, what gets canceled? And you're left with x plus 3 times 1, so just x plus 3. On the next product, what's going to cancel? Right, so it's going to be 3 times x minus 2. And on the right, everything cancels, so just 4. So your whole thing turned into a linear equation, which is good. So it's x plus 3 plus 3x minus 6 equals 4. I'm just trying not to sneeze right now. Otherwise, I'll have to mute. So it's 4x minus 3 equals 4. Is that right? When you combine like terms. So add 3 to both sides. 4x equals 7. So x equals 7/4, right? And since 7/4 does not turn any of those denominators into 0, we're done checking. We don't have to check any further. Just make sure your denominators stay happy, and we're done. But the steps are factor first, because that helps you with the LCD, and then multiply both sides by LCD to turn your messy equation into something prettier, okay? And just make sure your answers work, so they don't turn denominators into zeros. Yeah? Good? Good.